Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. Last day we discussed about few identities. Today, depending upon that identities, we will solve few problems. Clear? Without wasting much more time, let's start. I write here 4 problems and the identities also. Last day I mentioned memorize all the identities very carefully because we have to use the identities or we have to select the identity depending upon the problem. In here, using suitable identity, find the products. And the first problem is that find the product. Now the question is which identity we have to apply here. Now it is clear, you can see it is clearly in the form x plus a, x plus b. So that is this identity. Clear? Now using that identity we can write x square plus a plus b. A plus b means 8 plus 10 into x plus 8 into 10. And beside of that, mention the identity as x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Mention the identity. So our result becomes x square plus 8 plus 10, 18x plus 80. That is the answer. Clear? So you have to select the right identity which we have to apply. That is the main factor. Clear? Now we are going to, you can go for next problem. Next one is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. Now which identity we have to apply? Someone can say we can apply the identity this one, that is x, that is our x equal to hence 3x, and a equals to, that is our a and that is our b. Or someone can say we can use that identity also from right hand side, x plus y, x minus y. No, that is not correct because this one a and this one b. If these one are same, then we can use that. Then we can use that identity. As they are different, so that's why we have to use particularly that identity. So we can write 3x whole square plus a into a plus b. A means 4, b means plus of minus 5 because b is hence minus 5 into x plus a into b. As yes, as you can write as x equals to 3x, a equals to 4 and b equals to minus 5. So in place of x we have to write 3x. So our result becomes 9x square 4 minus 5, that is minus 1 into 3x minus 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. 9x square minus 3x minus 20. That is our result. Clear? Now we are coming to next problem. Next product is 103 into 107. 103 into 107. Simply we can write that 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Because that time we can compare the problem with that identity. X plus A, X plus B. Because these two are different, so we have to apply that identity. If these two are same, that time we have to apply that identity. X plus Y, X minus Y. This time both are same. Now that is our X, that is our A, that is our B. So X square means 100 square plus A plus B. A means 3, B means 7, into beside of that X plus AB. As X plus A into X plus B equal to X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Using that identity. So 100 square means 1 beside that 4, 0. After that 7, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into 100, that is 1000. That is 10. 10 into 100, 1000 plus 20. So adding all this result, we can write 11021. Okay. You can do graph also. Clear? Now we are coming to next problem. Into 96. That time 100 means we can write 100 plus 4, and 96 means we can write 100 minus 4. So this time which identity we have to apply? This time we have to apply that identity, because this time it is in the form X plus Y, X minus Y. If anyone wants to apply that identity, that time also no problem. Clear? You can use that identity also and that identity also, because both the formula identity will give us the right answer. But we have to apply this one, because this one will be much more easy rather than of it. Now that means 100 square minus 4 square, as X plus Y into X minus Y equal to X square minus Y square. As we can write X square minus Y square equal to X plus Y, X minus Y. So conversely we can write this one. So this means minus 4 square means 16. So what will be our result? Just subtract that. That will be 4, 8, 9, 9. That is our answer. Clear? Okay. Wait, I am giving few more problems. Okay, I write here 4 more problems. That is, factorize, factorization is given and 2 expansion is given. Factorize these 2 and expand these 2. Now first one, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now you have to think that which identity we have to apply. Clearly you can see how many parts are there? 3. And among all that, these 2 are related to 3 parts. These 2. Okay. Now all signs are in addition. Therefore clearly we can say we have to use the first identity. Now 9x square means we can write 3x whole square, and the last part y square means we can write y whole square. Now that is our a square and that is our b square, and in between that what will be 2. A means our 3x and b means our y. Now result coming 6xy, and it is matching with the given 6xy. Now that means that is result becomes x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. Now therefore we can write 3x plus y whole square. So factorize means we can write 3x plus y. 3x plus y. So this is our factorization. Clear? Now the next problem. X square minus y square by 100. Now how many parts are there? 2. So we have to apply only, we can apply only this one, as minus symbol is there also. Both sides square terms is there, and in between that minus symbol, and 2 parts are there. That's all are the clue which identity you have to apply. So this one we can write x whole square minus y by 10 whole square. That means y square is y square and 10 square is 100. That means a square minus b square, or you can say x square minus y square. That is x plus y by 10 and x minus y by 10. X plus y, x minus 1. That is our x and that is our y. X plus y by 10 and x minus y by 10. And that is our factorization. Now we are coming to the next two, expansion. First one is, next one is expansion. Expansion means how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. That means we have to apply this identity. If 2 parts are there, that time we can use any of these 2. As 3 parts are there, so clearly we have to apply that identity. This is our x, this is our y, and this is our z. Now x square means minus 2x whole square, y square means y is our 3y, 3y whole square plus z square means 2z whole square. After that 2 xy, x means our minus 2x. Keep in mind the symbol. Into y means 3y plus 2 yz. Y means our 3y, z means our 2z plus 2, last part is xz. X means minus 2x and z means 2z. Clear? Once again I repeat. That is our x, that is our y, that is our z. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 x y plus 2 y z, 2z. Clear? Plus 2 x, and that is our z. Now minus 2x whole square means minus square plus, that is 4x square plus 3 square 9, 9y square plus 4z square. After that plus minus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 xy. After that plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 yz. After that plus minus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 xz. So that is our expansion. Clear? Now we are coming to next problem. Understood everyone? So before starting any problem, memorize all the problems, all the identities very carefully. Write repeatedly identities. Okay, practice it. Now, which identity you have to use? That is x minus y whole cube. 2 parts and power is 3. That means this identity I write here. How many identities are there? in a single word, I write here 2 because plus and minus both symbols are there. That time, so it is in the form of x minus y whole cube, and that formula is, or it is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus 3xy square. Okay, now apply that. That is our x and that is our y. X cube means x cube minus y cube means that is our y. Total one is our y. That cube minus 3 x square means x square, but y means 2y by 3 minus 3 x means our x and y means our 2y by 3 whole square. Clear? Now x cube means x cube, no problem, minus. Now 2 cube means 8 y cube by 3 cube means 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 minus. Now this 3 may be cancelled, therefore 2x square y. Okay, now 3x. After that 2y whole square means we can write 4 y square, 2 square 4 y square by 3 square is 9. So we can write 8y cube by 27 minus 2x square y. 3 3s are cancelled. That means 4 by 3 x y square. Okay. Today up to that, solve all the problem twice, thrice, and try to solve the remaining problems of NCERT related to that type. And few more types are there that will be discussed in next class, and probably that will be the last discussion of the chapter polynomial. Okay, so memorize all the identities and after that solve all the problems related to that type and from examples also. Okay, thank you. Bye.